Finding balance. Why you need balanced mutual funds. Investing can be tricky. You want your money to grow, but you also want to protect it. That's where balanced mutual funds come in. They offer the best of both worlds, growth potential and risk management. Balanced funds invest in a mix of stocks and bonds. Stocks offer higher returns but come with higher risk. Bonds are less risky but offer lower returns. By combining both, balanced funds aim for steady growth while minimizing potential losses. Think of it like this. Stocks are like the gas pedal, and bonds are like the brakes. Balanced funds find the right balance between the two to keep your investment moving forward at a comfortable pace. This makes them a great option for investors of all ages and risk appetites, especially those looking for a long-term investment strategy. If you're looking to build a diversified portfolio, balanced funds are a great place to start. HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund is a popular choice among investors seeking a well-rounded investment option. This fund dynamically adjusts its asset allocation between equity and debt based on market conditions. What does this mean for you? It means that the fund managers actively monitor the market and adjust the fund's portfolio accordingly. When the stock market is performing well, they may increase the fund's exposure to equities to capitalize on growth opportunities. Conversely, during market downturns, they may increase the allocation to debt to protect your investment. This dynamic approach helps to mitigate risk and maximize returns over the long term. HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund has a proven track record of delivering consistent returns, making it a reliable choice for investors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund offers a convenient and potentially rewarding way to participate in the market while maintaining a balanced approach. ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund is another top contender in the balanced fund category. Like its HDFC counterpart, it follows a dynamic asset allocation strategy, shifting between equity and debt based on market valuations and sentiment. One of the key advantages of this fund is its focus on risk management. The fund managers use a disciplined investment process that emphasizes downside protection. They actively monitor risk factors and adjust the portfolio to minimize potential losses. ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund has consistently outperformed its benchmark and peer group over the years. Its strong track record and focus on risk-adjusted returns make it an attractive option for conservative investors looking for steady growth. If you're looking for a balanced fund that prioritizes capital preservation while aiming for reasonable returns, ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund is definitely worth considering. Now that we've explored two prominent balanced funds, let's delve deeper into how these funds manage risk while striving for growth. The key lies in their dynamic asset allocation strategy. Imagine a ship navigating the ocean. To sail smoothly and reach its destination, the captain needs to adjust the sails based on the wind and waves. Similarly, balanced funds adjust their equity and debt exposure based on market conditions. When the market is bullish, balanced funds increase their equity allocation to capture the upward momentum. This allows investors to benefit from the growth potential of stocks. Conversely, when the market turns bearish, the fund managers shift towards a higher debt allocation. Bonds act as a cushion during market downturns, minimizing potential losses. This constant rebalancing act helps to smooth out the ride for investors, reducing volatility and providing a more stable investment journey. Section 5, 2025, Vision. Why choose balanced funds? As we look ahead to 2025, the investment landscape is full of both opportunities and uncertainties. Global economic conditions, geopolitical events, and technological advancements can all impact market performance. In such a dynamic environment, balanced funds offer a compelling investment proposition. Their ability to adapt to changing market conditions makes them an ideal choice for navigating uncertainty. Here's why balanced funds are particularly relevant in 2025 market volatility. Experts predict continued market volatility in the coming years. Balanced funds, with their dynamic asset allocation, are well equipped to handle these fluctuations. Inflationary pressures. Rising inflation can erode the value of your savings. Balanced funds, with their exposure to equities, offer the potential to outpace inflation over the long term. Diversification. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes is crucial for managing risk. Balanced funds provide instant diversification by investing in both stocks and bonds. By investing in balanced funds, you can potentially grow your wealth while mitigating risk, setting yourself up for financial success in 2025 and beyond. Section 6. Your reward awaits. Claim your RS21000 bonus. We appreciate you taking the time to learn about balanced mutual funds. As a special thank you for staying engaged, we're offering a reward of RS21000 to our dedicated readers. That's right. You can claim your reward by following these simple steps. 1. Continue reading to the end of this informative article. 2. Take a screenshot of the article on your mobile device. 3. Share your screenshot with us via WhatsApp at WhatsApp number. Our team will verify your screenshot and guide you through the reward claim process. It's that easy. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to boost your financial well-being. Section 7. Unlock financial freedom. Get your 10 free calculators. In addition to the RS21000 reward, we're also giving away 10 free financial calculators to help you make smarter investment decisions. These calculators are designed to simplify your financial planning and empower you to achieve your financial goals. Here's how to claim your 10 free financial calculators. 1. Take a screenshot of this article while reading it on your mobile device. 2. Send us your screenshot via WhatsApp at WhatsApp number. Once we receive your screenshot, we'll provide you with instant access to our suite of 10 powerful financial calculators. These calculators will become your trusted companions on your financial journey, helping you calculate everything from loan EMIs to retirement savings. Section 8. HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund, a deeper dive. Let's take a more in-depth look at the HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund. This fund stands out for its active risk management approach. The fund managers use a combination of quantitative models and qualitative analysis to assess market conditions and adjust the asset allocation accordingly. One of the key features of this fund is its flexibility. Unlike traditional balanced funds that have a fixed asset allocation range, HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund has the flexibility to invest up to 100% in equity or debt, depending on the market outlook. This allows the fund managers to be more agile in responding to market changes. The fund has a long and consistent track record, having navigated multiple market cycles successfully. Its experienced fund management team and robust investment process make it a reliable choice for investors looking for long-term capital appreciation. If you're seeking a balanced fund with a proven track record and a dynamic investment strategy, HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund is certainly worth considering. Section 9. ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund. Unpacking the benefits. ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund is another strong contender in the balanced fund space. This fund differentiates itself through its focus on risk-adjusted returns. The fund managers prioritize capital preservation while aiming for consistent growth. One of the key advantages of this fund is its disciplined investment approach. The fund follows a rules-based system for determining asset allocation, taking the emotion out of investing. This ensures that investment decisions are based on objective factors rather than market sentiment. ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund has a strong long-term performance history, consistently delivering competitive returns. Its risk-aware approach and disciplined investment process make it an ideal choice for investors with a moderate risk appetite. If you're looking for a balanced fund that prioritizes capital protection without compromising on growth potential, ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund is definitely worth exploring. Section 10. Balanced Funds in Action, Real-World Examples. Let's bring the concept of balanced funds to life with a few real-world examples. Imagine a young professional just starting their investment journey. They have a long-time horizon and are comfortable with moderate risk. A balanced fund can provide them with the right mix of growth and stability as they build their wealth over time. Now, consider a retired individual looking for regular income from their investments. Balanced funds, with their dividend payout options, can provide a steady stream of income while preserving their capital. Balanced funds can also be an excellent option for parents saving for their children's education. The long-term growth potential of balanced funds can help them accumulate the necessary funds to secure their children's future. These examples highlight the versatility of balanced funds and their suitability for a wide range of investors. Section 11. Your financial journey starts now. In conclusion, Balanced mutual funds offer a compelling investment proposition for investors of all ages and risk profiles. Their ability to balance growth and risk management makes them an ideal choice for navigating the complexities of the market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund and ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund are two excellent options to consider. Their dynamic asset allocation strategies, experienced fund management teams, and consistent track records make them stand out in the crowded mutual fund universe. Remember to claim your 21,000 rupee reward and 10 free financial calculators by following the simple steps outlined earlier. Take control of your financial future today and embark on a journey toward financial freedom. Investing involves risks, and the value of your investments can fluctuate. However, by choosing balanced funds and following a disciplined investment approach, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals.